Hi. How's my boy? Hi. Yeah? Do you have a story to tell me? No! I don't like that story. Hi. Hi. Yeah. Oh. Oh, are you getting tired? Yeah? Do you have kisses for Grandma? Do you have kisses? Mwah. Kisses? Mwah. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. You like Grandma kisses? Huh? Hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. What do you think, huh? What do you think? Are you a big boy? Yeah. Tell me a story. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. You can try and say it. I love you. Oh, okay. Yeah. I love you.